This is Frog Valley Tropical Fruit Farm, and I wanted to do a video on cashew, our biodynamically grown cashew fruit juice. And I did an earlier video and picked some cashews and off of one of our naturally grown dry farmed cashew trees. And this was the fruit that had the chew marks in it, so you just cut off the top. And then you squeeze it into here, and then you squeeze the rest of it out. They're very juicy, so it just kind of, everything just squeezes out. It's like, I don't know, it's like squeezing a rubber toy almost. And so this was 3 little fruits, this little bit of juice here, and this is all the juice from that fruit that had the chew marks out of it. It was about that size. So it's quite a bit of juice per fruit. That's a good amount of cashew juice from just a small little bit of fruit. The cashews, then I just take and I dry these, and or don't even dry them. I go and plant them right in the ground, just like that. And hopefully I'll get a bunch more trees, because cashews are so easy to grow here. You don't have to water them. They have all kinds of medicinal qualities, I guess, the juice. And the nuts are very good. You do have to roast the nuts, because there's a like a acidic membrane underneath this hard shell that has to be roasted to neutralize it. And it's nice to get a change from the mangoes. I finally fulfilled my bucket list of being able to eat mangoes continuously, top tier mangoes continuously until I'm sick. And I've been doing that now for a month straight, and I'm ready to have my kitchen back. So anyway, this is our biodynamically, naturally farmed, dry farmed cashews and the fruit juice that we grow here at Frog Valley Tropical Fruit Farm. Oh my God, it's so good. Anyway, have a good day.